Hi everyone, my name's Donkey, and today we are back doing another No Man's Sky video. Now, if you remember in the last one we had a few issues with the slots and everything. It was going a bit weird. I'll show you a little example of what it was like. It was, so you mine a block, and then when you place down the block it just disappeared. Now that's not great in the inventory and the slots, so we're going to attempt to work it out. Now I figured out what was going wrong. Basically in the remove, we need to actually remove it from the slots as well. But the way we're going to do this is we're going to add another script. Now the script is going to be called the script slot search. The way we're going to do this is we're going to search through our slots, and we need to just see what our slots are actually working on. So we want to go like this. We want to say for $i equals 0, I is less than object draw slots dot slots I plus plus. So it's going to loop through all of our slots. Then what we're going to say is, well, actually we want to pass in some arguments here as well. So we're going to first off make this. We're going to do item argument 0 equals item equals argument 0 even, and then we're going to say if global dot slots 0 I equals item. So we're comparing the two. We're looping through, we're comparing to see if we found the item that we want. If we have, we are going to return that slot that it's on. So pretty simple. Now we're going to use that in the inventory in the remove. We're then going to say script slot search. And we're going to search for the item that we are removing. And then we're going to say, actually in the slot search we do want to, no we don't need to actually. So we've called the script, then what we're going to do is we're going to say global dot slot 0, and then that equals 0. Okay, so we'll give this a run and see if it works. If it does work, I'll go back and explain fully what we've done in a bit more detail. So fingers crossed, what this should do is when we place the block, it should, yep, you can see there, what it did is it searched for the block we just removed in our slots, and then changed that in our slots back to being 0. So the slot search, I'll just read through that one quickly. Basically we're passing in the argument item, which is the item that we're searching for. Then we're saying we're looping through all of the slots here. Then we're saying if the slot that we're currently on equals the item we're looking for, it's going to just return I, which is the index that the item is at. Then in the slot search, you have, in the slot search, no, in the inventory remove, you're setting that index slot to 0. One sec, let me just mute this. Okay, so you're setting that slot back to 0. It's relatively easy, and this effectively results in that effect. Now what we're going to want to do, just to make sure it doesn't entirely break it, is we're going to try 2 blocks. Now I'm not sure if this will work or not, whether it'll just remove all of them entirely. No, it is working, and you can see there it has worked quite nicely. So we've managed to place blocks, and let's just test with wood as well, just in case. So let's just see they're both in our inventory 1 1. Place down the dirt, dirt's gone. We've got wood left. We're going to place down the wood, wood's gone. Okay, so that's all the inventory stuff wrapped up, all the slot stuff wrapped up. And yeah, now we can go on to, we've got most of the basics down actually. We can go down more into the space exploration type thing to do with this. We can start going into more specialised No Man's Sky stuff. So at the moment we've been doing relatively general stuff. We can go in and do some more No Man's Sky based stuff, which I think would be quite cool. But anyway, that is going to be a rather short video for today. We've managed to wrap up the issues and wrap up all of our inventory and wrap up all of our slots, so that's all nice and working now. But anyway, if you like this video, remember to like, subscribe, or just do what you guys want to do, and I will talk to you in the next one.